You don't need hours to improve your English, and you definitely don't need complicated grammar rules to start speaking confidently. What you really need is a simple daily system that trains your brain to think and respond in English without hesitation. Most people stay stuck because they rely on passive learning, but speaking is a skill that only improves when you actively use it. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact 10 to 20 minute daily routine that you can follow from today. This is not theory or motivation. This is a practical system that you can copy immediately and start seeing real improvement in how you speak, think, and express yourself in English. Many people understand English very well. They can watch videos, read content, and even follow conversations easily. But when it comes to speaking, they hesitate, pause, or go blank. This happens because they are not training their brain to use English actively in real situations. The solution is not more learning, but better practice. You need a structured way to train your speaking, thinking, listening, and recall every single day. When you follow the right system consistently, your brain starts adapting naturally, and speaking becomes automatic instead of forced. In this video, I will break down a simple routine that takes only 10 to 20 minutes and fits easily into your daily life. Once you start following this, you will notice a clear shift in your confidence and fluency. Speaking Activation System. Start your routine with speaking because this step directly removes hesitation and builds real confidence. Most learners wait until they feel ready, but that mindset delays progress. You don't become ready and then speak. You speak, and that is how you become ready. Pick a simple topic from your daily life. It can be what you did today, what you are going to do next, or even something happening around you. The topic does not matter. What matters is that you start speaking and continue without stopping. Speak out loud as if you are talking to a real person. This is important because silent thinking does not train your speaking ability. Your brain needs to connect thoughts with actual words, and that only happens when you speak audibly. You will get stuck at some point. Maybe you forget a word or don't know how to form a sentence. When that happens, do not switch to your native language. Pause briefly, simplify your idea, and continue using whatever English you know. This is where real growth happens. Keep your sentences simple and natural. Do not try to impress or sound advanced. Focus on clarity and flow. Even basic sentences spoken continuously are far more powerful than perfect sentences that never come out. As you practice this daily, your brain starts adapting. You will notice that your thoughts come faster, your pauses reduce, and your confidence improves naturally. This step may look simple, but it is the foundation of fluent speaking. Thinking in English training. The second step is training your brain to think in English. This is where most people struggle, because they first think in their native language and then try to translate. That process slows you down and creates hesitation while speaking. To fix this, you need to start building the habit of direct thinking in English. Begin with simple thoughts. Look around you and describe what you see in English inside your mind. It can be as basic as describing objects, actions, or situations happening around you. For example, you can think about what you are doing at that moment, what you plan to do next, or how your day is going. Keep your thoughts short and clear. You do not need complex sentences. The goal is to make English your first response, not a translated version. At the beginning, your mind will automatically try to switch back to your native language. That is normal. When it happens, Gently bring your thoughts back to English and continue. This repetition is what slowly rewires your thinking pattern. You can also imagine small situations in your mind, like talking to a friend, ordering something, or explaining something simple. Think about what you would say in those moments using easy and natural English. Do not worry about grammar mistakes while thinking. Thinking is a private process, so use it to build comfort and speed. The more you practice, the faster your brain starts forming thoughts directly in English. After a few days of consistent practice, you will notice a big change. Your mind will start generating ideas in English automatically, and this will make your speaking much smoother. When thinking becomes natural, speaking becomes effortless. Listening and absorption practice. The third step is listening, but not passive listening. This step is about absorbing how real English sounds in natural situations. Many people listen to content daily, but they don't train their brain to notice patterns, expressions, and flow. Choose a short piece of content such as a video, podcast clip, or dialogue that is easy to understand. Keep it short so you can stay focused. The goal is not entertainment. It is active learning through listening. Play the audio and listen carefully to how sentences are spoken. Notice the rhythm, the way words connect, and how speakers naturally form sentences. Pay attention to common phrases instead of individual words. After listening once, replay the same part and try to understand it more deeply. This time, focus on how the sentences are structured. You don't need to analyze grammar rules. Just observe how ideas are expressed naturally. Now try a simple imitation. Pause the audio and repeat what you hear in the same tone and speed. This helps your brain match real spoken English instead of robotic or textbook-style sentences. If something feels difficult, do not get frustrated. Repeat smaller parts and keep going. The goal is progress, not perfection. Even understanding and repeating a few lines correctly is enough for improvement. With consistent practice, your brain starts recognizing patterns automatically. You begin to understand faster, and your speaking also improves because you start using natural sentence structures. This step trains your ears and your speaking at the same time. The more you expose yourself to real English and actively absorb it, the more natural your communication becomes. Recall and reinforcement. The final step is recall, and this is what makes everything stick. Most people practice daily but still feel stuck because they don't revisit or reuse what they learned. Without recall, your brain treats practice as temporary. With recall, it becomes permanent. Start by mentally reviewing what you did in the previous steps. Think about what you spoke, what thoughts you formed, and what phrases you heard during listening. Do this without checking anything. This small struggle is important because it forces your brain to actively search and remember. Now begin speaking again, but this time reuse whatever you recall. Try to repeat similar ideas using the same patterns or phrases. Even if you remember only a few parts, that is enough. Build around them using simple and clear English. Next, slightly change the situation. If you spoke about your day earlier, now talk about tomorrow or describe a similar situation. This helps your brain learn flexibility and apply the same structures in different contexts. You can also challenge yourself by adding one small improvement. For example, try to make one sentence clearer or slightly longer than before. This keeps your progress moving forward without making the process difficult. Do not worry if your recall is not perfect. The goal is effort, not accuracy. Every attempt strengthens your memory and makes your English more stable over time. Keep this step focused and avoid learning anything new here. This is only about strengthening what you already practiced. That is what builds real confidence. With daily repetition, you will notice that words come faster and sentences feel more natural. You will not need to think hard before speaking because your brain is already trained to recall and use English smoothly. This is all you need. A simple routine that trains your speaking, thinking, listening, and recall in just a few minutes every day. No overload, no confusion, just a clear system your brain can follow. If you stay consistent with this, you will start noticing small changes first. Your thoughts will become faster, your hesitation will reduce, and your sentences will come out more naturally. Over time, these small improvements turn into real confidence. You stop forcing English and start using it without pressure. Keep it simple, follow the system daily, and let your progress build step by step. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.